Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing something fun, something that's new to us, which is basketry. This is going to be an introduction and an overview on what to expect on basketry. Also, this is a different type of basketry from what we did previously. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment. Share this content so that we can get this content out to more people. So as you can see, the raw materials for today are different. These are sourced from a special type of palm tree, and it's a very specific part of the leaves that are cut and used for this basketry. They are then sorted and dried, and what we are doing here is we are getting them moist through regular water, because once they are stored for a long time they kind of become stiff. So for you to work with them properly, you need to get them wet or damp just a bit. You're not supposed to soak them for long, just pass them through that, and then you dry them up using a dry piece of cloth, as we are doing here, and then now you can start working with them. Also, the name of these leaves, I only managed to get their Swahili name, which is ukindu, but I know this is a palm variety, but there are very specific parts of the leaves that are used for this type of basketry. So this is how it's begun, by spinning a piece into a spiral, and then you pass one other piece like that, and then now you start twisting it inside that circle and out. But this is a special pattern that you use, and that's what we are beginning to do here. Remember guys, this is also a new topic to us, which is basketry. We are just learning about this, and we thought that it would be best to learn with you guys. Leah is our teacher for today, and she has been doing basketry for as long as she can remember, and she happened to be kind enough to share her wealth of information with us. So this is going to be our first lesson with her, and Rose is going to try it out. Remember guys, in this channel we pass down education from one generation to another, making sure that the torch of art knowledge remains lit, and in the process helps us make an extra dollar to our incomes, and also challenges our creative spirit that may be dormant and brings it to life. So Rose is faring on quite well. This lesson isn't that easy for a beginner, but with practice you can definitely get it, and that's the aim of our tutorials and our skill sharing experiences. So kindly let us know in the comment section down below if basketry is something that might be interesting to you, that if it's something that you will want us to do in the future, so that we can have more of this type of tutorials and get to share them with you. So kindly let us know in the comment section down below if this is something you find fun or that intrigues you, so that we can organize and have more of these lessons here. This skill that we are learning today can be used to make a variety of products like mats, table mats, baskets, capes that you can wear on your head as hats, decorative pieces for your house, among many other designs that you can come up with. I'll share some samples by the end of this video. So as you can see, every time we want to add more palm leaves or more of our raw material, we have to make sure that it's slightly damp so that it's flexible and doesn't break when we are twisting it around. As you can see, this is the beginning. As always with art, we start with a very small bit, but as time progresses and with patience, step by step, you get to your end product. And this is what keeps intriguing and makes me happy about art, is you can be able to see the product from literally when it was a raw material and you can create it to whatever it is that you have in your mind. So it's literally you're transferring something that's not there into being there, which is always mind-blowing. And if you try this out by yourself, you trust me, you're gonna end up with a smile at the end of the day. So here Leah has introduced a pink colored palm leaf or raw material. This process of turning that leaf into this beautiful color is very interesting, because as she explains is you have to get the dye of this pigment, the pink color, and then you mix it with water, and then you put the specific leaves that you want to turn into that color, and then you boil with the dye. So after boiling and the leaf absorbs this color, you then remove them and dry them out. And as you can see, we are making quite some good progress, and that's the centerpiece that we have started. And this can end up into anything. It can end up into a hat, it can end up into a basket, into a mat, whatever that you may desire, you can make it. So this is really intriguing and is something that I'm looking forward to learning more of. And I hope you guys also love this type of art, which is basketry. Kindly let me know in the comment section down below if you would like to see more of this, and definitely we will look for more ways to make more videos or more detailed content on the same. I would also love to really thank you guys for the much support that you've been giving us through your comments, through the suggestions that you've been giving us. I am really grateful and honored to get such feedback from you guys. It's what gives us strength to keep going and to keep searching for more creative content for you guys. So kindly don't forget to leave a comment. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you like this type of content. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so. Occasionally, kindly be passing by our community posts on our community tab on this channel, where you can be able to participate and see what what are suggestions that we have gotten, or what we want to come up with on the next video, so that you can let us know on the community tab whether it's a nice idea or not. And also, I would really love to congratulate all of you who took upon the challenge to try out beadwork, and I'm really impressed by the feedback that you guys have given me. Most of you have been able to create more than 5 pieces of bracelets, and some of you have even been able to turn this into a profit-making thing. You've been able to make money from beadwork, and the tutorials that we have been doing for you have been able to help you guys start art classes and make some extra income, or just do it as a hobby. I'm really proud of you guys, and big ups to you guys. Keep the comments coming, and your feedback is really appreciated. As you can see, that's the one of the pink leaves that we are using here, and you can be alternating the different shades of colors that you want, so that you can have a very unique piece at the end of the day. So the beauty of art is everything that you create can easily be a one-off piece, because you get to decide the color combination and the pattern that you're going to use. So this is something that you should take upon and try out, not necessarily basketry, but also beadwork or even painting. Basically anything that you find that is art related and you've always wanted to try it out, take upon this challenge and go try it out. As you can see here, Rose is learning and having some fun from our professional teacher. And this was the way things used to happen back in the traditional days in the village. Most of the learning used to work or used to be done via apprenticeship, where the older generation will sit down with the younger generation and teach them one-on-one. So these skills are something that I would love us to learn together and pass them down onto the next generation, and make sure that our rich art culture doesn't go anywhere anytime soon. This needs to be passed down onto our future generations. So if you would love to do that, please share these videos and let us get them to more and more people. This here is small basket that Leah is finishing up on, the finishing bit, which is just basically just winding around it. And today's video was just an introduction into basketry, and these are some of the samples that we can be able to do. This is just small basket-like shape that was created. This is a mat that you can use to place your spoons, your plates, your food, or use it as a centerpiece. Also this basket that she was finishing on, it's very sturdy, it's very firm and very pleasant when you see it on by yourself. So guys, these are just but a few of the samples that you can do with this type of basketry. And here are some samples of hats that you can make from this type. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can follow us on our social media pages. Remember guys, to leave a comment so that we can know if basketry is something that we should follow up on or not. So see you on the comment section.